A very warm welcome to my channel. So let me quickly share with you how I made this simple yet delicious jollof rice that had people requesting for more. So sit back, relax, and then enjoy. Thank you. So my pot is already on fire. I'll start by adding my jollof stew base, and I have a full recipe on my page. You can check it out, or please check comment section for the recipe. I'll just stir and then let this be on fire for 5 minutes maximum before adding 2 tablespoons of curry powder. And I also added some tuna, and that's actually optional. But I wanted some additional taste, reason why I added it. And I'll stir this for a minute before I'll add my washed rice. And for the rice, I used 5 to 6 cups of rice. I'm not really sure, but I'll check and then write it there. And I'll stir continuously until the rice mixes well with the stew. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so do check. I also felt I needed extra stew, so I just added a little amount and then stir this, and this was on fire for extra 8 minutes before adding my stock water. If you're here and then you're still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe. So I also added some coconut milk, and that's totally optional as well. Just that I wanted a very soft jollof rice for this recipe, and since I didn't want to add too much water, coconut milk was the option because ebemanaye moton. I don't really know the English word for the word moton. I also added some salt and then stirred for a while before adding some hot water. So the hot water process is going to help the rice cook a little bit faster. After stirring it, I just covered the rice with my parchment paper, and I used 2 parchment paper because I really wanted this rice to cook fast. One thing about jollof rice is you need to be checking and turning your rice after 10 to 15 minutes, every 10 to 15 minutes I would say, and it should be cooked from low to medium heat. You don't need too much fire when cooking jollof rice. So this was about 30 minutes or 35 minutes into cooking the jollof rice. I think I missed some of the clips, but just look at the outcome. Come on, Papa, and it was very soft, but now as a entire and as a kikamboom. That's how I want my jollof rice. So jollof rice is done now, and if you're an ardent subscriber here, then you know I do this differently. In another pot, I added some corned beef and stirred it till it was very soft before adding my rice. And you can add as much as you want, but just look at the outcome of the jollof. Any efekeke. Yeah, so I'm just stirring and then adding more jollof rice, as you can see. I also added some carrot when I was done adding the rice, and I didn't add much because they didn't want too much vegetables. I also proceeded and added some green bell pepper, and after adding the bell pepper, I off my gas after a minute, and that was it. Very simple, easy, and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, and then subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.